Hey students, let's solve one previous question of algorithm. This question was asked in GATE CS 2025 set 1, question number 55. In a double hashing scheme, h1 of k equals to k mod 11 and h2 of k equals to 1 plus k mod 7 are the auxiliary hash functions. The size m of the hash table is 11. The hash function for the ith probe in the open address table is h1 of k plus I h2 of k mod m. The following key are inserted in the given order. These are the key. The slot at which key 24 gets stored is dash. In question, it's given the size of m is 11. That is our hash table size. So starting from index 0, index will till 10, and primary hash function is h1 of k equals to k mod 11. Secondary hash function is h2 of k equals to 1 plus k mod 7, and keys are 63, 50, 25, 79, 67, 24. And the hash function for ith probe equals to h1 of k plus I h2 of k mod m. Let's insert one by one key. First key is 63. We'll use the primary hash function. Now 63 mod 11. 63 mod 11 is 8. 8 is empty. We can store 63 here. Next 50. 50 mod 11. It's 6. 6 is empty. We can store 50 here. Next 25. 25 mod 11. It's 3. 25 minus 22, it's 3. 3 is empty, so we can store 25 here. Next is 79. 79 mod 11, it's 2. 79 minus 77. 2 is empty, so we can store 79 here. Next 67. 67 mod 11, it's 1. 67 we can store here. In question, it's asking about 24. Now 24 primary hash function 24 mod 11. 24 mod 11, it will be 24 minus 22, it's 2. 2 is already filled. So what we'll do, we'll find the secondary hash function. h2 of 24, that is 1 plus 24 mod 7. 24 mod 7 is 3. 24 minus 21, it's 3. 1 plus 3 equals to 4. Now we found h1 and h2. Next, we'll check for I. First, we'll do for I equals to 0. Now, for I equals to 0, h1 multiplied by k, in place of I, we'll write 0. This whole term will 0. So, h1 of 24 is what? 2. 2 is already filled. Next, we'll check for I equals to 1. So, h1 24, that is 2 plus 1 multiplied 4. 2 plus 1 multiplied 4, that is 6. 6 also occupied, so we cannot insert. Next, we'll check for I equals to 2. 2 plus 2 multiplied 4. 2 multiplied 4 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 is empty, so we can insert 24 here. In question, it is asking the slot at which key 24 gets stored. Slot is 10. That's why answer will be 10. In case of double hashing, first we'll check the primary hash function. If it is occupied, it is filled, then we'll check the secondary hash function and we'll check hash function for ith probe. I value can be 0, 1, 2, 3 till we get a proper position for inserting that key. Here for I equal to 2, we got 10th index. 10th index is empty, so we can insert 24. I already discussed hashing. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.